We're gonna put some moisturizer. Moisturizer. Huh? Moisturizer. Okay. Crazy. Small like this. Moisturizer. That's called moisturizer. In the base. Okay. Now you spread gently, gently, gently. Okay. This one is not good enough, so I will add. Okay, it's enough. For healthy skin. For healthy skin, kala mo naman makinis. Hindi naman kinisan.